What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use voice changer on Discord. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, there are many types of voice changer that you can use on Discord, but I'm going to show you the most trusted one and the most safe of them all. And this is Voice Mod. Just go to Google and search Voice Mod. Here it is, and it's a free real-time voice changer recommended by Discord. And actually it's free, you can download it for free, and it's actually safe compared to other voice changer because the other voice changer applications are a little bit suspicious to download because there are some application that are giving you a virus, but this voice mode is very safe and very useful. So after you download it, just click it right here, open your voice mode voice changer, and it'll take a lot of time to load, but here it is. So now, as you can see, this is the voice mode menu, and you will actually see a bunch of voice changers: cave, the narrator, the magic chords, whatever you can choose it. But keep in mind that this is not free. In order to access all of the voice changer in this application, you need to have a subscription. But don't worry, it's not expensive. But if you have a subscription, it's better. But even if you don't have a subscription, there will be a seven voice changer that are free every week. So you do not worry about that. So now I'm going to choose a voice changer narrator. Just click voice changer right here and click hear yourself.
Hello. Hello. Is it time? Hey, mics. Check. One, two, three.
Yeah, as you can see, it's working. So now after that, you can now go to your Discord and just click don't switch it now, for we're gonna do it later, and go to a server, a voice chat server. But before you use the voice changer, just go to your user settings, then go to voice and video settings, and make sure that your input device is set on voice mode chat. And that's it. You can now try your voice.
Hello, guide. Hello, guys. Right. It's working.
Now, as you can see that it's working, and that's it. You can also go to your voice mode and click hear yourself just to make sure it's working.
Hello, guy. All right. My name is Morgan Freeman. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. This application is very useful and very safe, and it's also recommended by Discord. So
It's good. So that's it. That's how you use voice changer on Discord. That's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.